Erase wrinkles and tighten skin naturally. The best anti-aging remedies you need to try. Did you know that the secret to youthful, glowing skin isn't found in a jar of expensive creams, but right in nature? Today, I'm going to reveal powerful, time-tested natural remedies that can help smooth wrinkles and restore skin elasticity without harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a natural skincare routine that truly works. Hello, friends, and welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about natural health, healing, and the incredible power of nature to restore the body, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like. It helps more people discover these natural remedies. Wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity are a natural part of aging. Over time, our skin produces less collagen and elastin, two essential proteins that keep our skin firm, plump, and youthful. Factors like sun exposure, poor diet, dehydration, and even stress accelerate this process, leading to fine lines, sagging, and dryness. Many people turn to commercial anti-aging products, but these often contain synthetic chemicals, preservatives, and even toxins that can do more harm than good in the long run. Fortunately, nature provides everything we need to nourish, protect, and revitalize our skin if we know where to look. So today, we're going to explore some of the most effective natural remedies to boost collagen, improve elasticity, and reduce wrinkles, using ingredients that are not only safe, but incredibly powerful. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your skincare or wellness routine. Let's dive in. Natural remedies for wrinkles and skin elasticity. Bone broth, the ultimate collagen booster. Collagen is the foundation of youthful, firm skin, and one of the best ways to replenish it naturally is by consuming bone broth. This nutrient-dense elixir is packed with collagen, gelatin, and essential amino acids that help rebuild skin structure and improve elasticity from within. When you sip on homemade bone broth, you're providing your body with the building blocks it needs to restore firmness and reduce the appearance of fine lines. For best results, consume 1 to 2 cups daily or add it to soups and stews. If you're short on time, high-quality collagen supplements from grass-fed sources can be a great alternative. 2. Aloe vera. Nature's skin healer, aloe vera is one of nature's most powerful skin regenerators. This plant is rich in polysaccharides, which boost collagen production, lock in moisture, and help repair damaged skin. Regular use of fresh aloe vera gel can reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and give your skin a radiant glow. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe gel to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. For an internal boost, you can also consume aloe vera juice, but be sure to choose a high-quality, food-grade version without unnecessary additives. 3. Cold-pressed oils. Nourish and protect. Using the right natural oils can deeply hydrate the skin, combat free radical damage, and promote elasticity. Rosehip oil is particularly beneficial because it contains vitamin A, a natural retinol, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids, all of which help repair damaged skin, boost collagen, and fade wrinkles. Similarly, argan oil and jojoba oil closely mimic the skin's natural sebum, making them excellent for moisture retention without clogging pores. To use, warm a few drops between your palms and gently massage into your face before bed. This allows the skin to absorb the nutrients overnight for a youthful, glowing complexion. 4. Vitamin C-rich foods. The antioxidant shield vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis and skin protection. This powerful antioxidant neutralizes free radicals, which are one of the leading causes of premature aging. Foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, and dark leafy greens are packed with vitamin C and can help brighten your complexion, strengthen skin structure, and reduce fine lines. To maximize absorption, pair vitamin C-rich foods with a healthy fat like avocado or olive oil, which helps your body utilize this skin-loving nutrient more effectively. 5. Facial massage and gua sha, natural lift and tone. Stimulating the skin through massage can increase circulation, promote collagen production, and help lift sagging skin naturally. Regular facial massages, using just your fingertips or a gua sha tool, can help sculpt the face, smooth out wrinkles, and enhance skin elasticity. Focus on upward strokes and gentle pressure, especially around the cheeks, jawline, and forehead. A few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference over time. For added benefits, apply a few drops of your favorite anti-aging oil, like rosehip or argan, before massaging. 6. Hydration, the simplest anti-aging secret. One of the easiest and most overlooked anti-aging secrets is staying properly hydrated. When your skin is dehydrated, it loses elasticity and fine lines become more pronounced. Drinking enough pure water throughout the day helps flush out toxins, maintain moisture levels, and keep the skin plump and youthful. To further boost hydration, eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, celery, and oranges. You can also add herbal teas and infused waters with lemon or mint for an extra detoxifying effect. 7. Herbal teas. Internal nourishment. Certain herbs are packed with skin-strengthening nutrients, helping to rebuild collagen and improve elasticity from the inside out. Horsetail and nettle tea are rich in silica, a vital mineral for strong, firm skin. Gotu kola, another powerful herb, has been used for centuries to boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and support skin repair. Try drinking a cup of one of these teas daily to support your body's natural ability to regenerate healthy, youthful skin. And there you have it. Simple, natural, yet incredibly effective ways to smooth wrinkles, boost collagen, and keep your skin youthful and glowing. Nature has provided everything we need to heal and nourish our skin, without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on natural health and healing. Let me know in the comments, which of these remedies are you excited to try first? Have you experienced the power of natural skincare? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and trust in the power of nature.